So I'm Max Avery. I work on the business transformation team. And here at ADB, I work to improve operational efficiencies, which is just a fancy way of saying I try to speed things up and make work easier for everyone.
My name is Tegan. I work in the legal department, and day to day I do contracts, research, any drafting of letters, kind of whatever Danny in the legal department need me to do.
My name's Jack. I'm the engineering intern this summer, so engineering department. Day-to-day responsibilities consist of I keep up with the permits, permit tracker, just help out wherever I can.
My name is Max Ising. I'm part of the GIS department, and I help with everyday GIS actions, and I'm working with a project with some of the technical designers right now.
My name is Connor Lind. I am with the wireline construction department. My day-to-day responsibilities are really anything the production team needs help with, whether it's inventory, helping with jobs, good catches, whatever they need, I help them out.
My name is Jenna Wolf. I am in the IT department, and my day-to-day responsibilities include answering tickets, setting up laptops for new hires and employees, going around and setting up cubicles, working on different projects in Power Automate or PowerShell scripting, and kind of just whatever tech needs we need done.
My name is Justin Roschke. I'm with the marketing department. My day-to-day responsibilities, it's pretty much different every day. I do a lot of graphics, creating graphics for social media or our website. Do a lot of website audits, and yeah, I just help my team with whatever I can help with.
My name is Drew. I'm with the wireless department, and day-to-day I'm sitting in on meetings, taking notes, occasionally going out to sites to do site walks and check up on progress and where we're at.
My name is Ian Swearjohn. I'm in the HR people department, and every day I'm offboarding, onboarding employees, and anything like that, employee life cycle.
My name is Melo Mensa. I am a safety intern. My day-to-day responsibilities are managing PPE, going on job sites, and etc.
I am Aiden Boss. I'm in the project controls team, project controls intern. On a day-to-day basis, I fulfill sales orders, create purchase orders, stuff like that, small things in NetSuite. But the main bulk of my days are pulling and building reports for the project controls team in the company.
My name is Sophia, and I'm from the Critical Infrastructure Department, where I'm responsible for updating MDATs, NetSuite, recycling battery trackers, updating Excel trackers, sending EODs. Really, whatever I was asked to do, I will do.
Hello everybody, my name is Adam Canafani, and I'm currently a commercialization intern under Rick Lindner. On my day-to-day, I do a lot of things like financial modeling, market sizing, strategic planning, all things towards our strat plan that Rick's going to present by the end of the month.
What I've noticed about how ADB operates that impressed me was the efficient communication between individuals and teams. It makes everything come together and work a lot more smoothly.
ADB, in my own words, connects people, whether it's not just in the office but outside, connecting people with fiber, giving them internet, do a little bit of everything.
The most impactful thing I've learned that's changed my perspective has definitely been learning to advocate for myself and speak up and be honest. You know, I came in very nervous for this internship and I didn't want to feel like a burden by asking questions or not knowing what I'm doing. But slowly learning that just speaking up and advocating for myself when I need help or make a mistake gets me so much farther than if I just sit back and shrivel in on myself. And that'll be something that I take away and use for the rest of my life.
My favorite part about this internship so far, I'd say, would be just getting to know new people. Working with my team, Sarah and Sean, really friendly people, so I like to work with them. And working with them is really easy, so I'd say my favorite part is my team, and yeah, just getting to meet all the other interns and all the other people that I work with.
The ADB value that sticks with me the most is probably family. I think, like I mentioned, like everyone is very involved in a lot of events that kind of bring everyone together, so I'd say that's pretty important to me.
The way ADB operates is very straight to the point and try to get everything done in a timely manner with quality.
My favorite part this time around for ADB is definitely getting closer with the people team. I feel like this year I got a lot more connections with the field guys too. They actually start to recognize me and my face like that, and that's always nice to know. I feel way more connected with the goal this year and the company's vision, and that's been really important.
ADB stood out right away just because I feel like they've just been evolving so much. It kind of shows how they've grown so fast. They definitely are up to date on how they run things, probably compared to their competitors. I'm sure that there's not a lot of movement. You know, I'm sure there's not a lot of marketing and, you know, HR advancements in companies like this. So you can definitely tell that ADB has been evolving in that way.
My favorite, if I had to pick one, part of being here at ADB is probably just meeting new people. There's so many interesting, creative, exciting people to meet, and getting to learn from others and take their wisdom and apply it in different situations has really been gratifying and a fun experience.
So the most impactful thing that just changed my perspective is that the idea that, you know, clarity is just as valuable as accuracy. It's not only about having, you know, the right numbers, it's about telling the story in a way that drives real decision making across team.
Just getting to meet new people. Like, I never thought I was going to be in this position to like work with construction workers, so just meeting people every day and telling them about their lives and their stories, how they got here.
My favorite part of my time here at ADB has been learning new skills, meeting new people. Everyone here is super nice and kind and helpful, especially my team specifically. They have all been amazing and super welcoming and just teaching me everything I know.
I would recommend an internship with ADB. You get exposure to a bunch of areas, not just the one that you're technically in, and you get to work with some pretty awesome people.